With automatic scheduling, the changes appear on screen only after you give a command to update them. So, after you create new campaigns, new ads, or when you make changes in existing campaigns, you need to generate a new media plan. Generation takes some time. It depends on the number of different settings used in all the campaigns and ads. If you have no changes, you will not see this button, Generate Media Plan. Once the generation is complete, you will receive a notification. You can click on the screen name and go to the Forecasts page. A forecast for a screen is a set of cyclograms, inside of which the ads are played in repeated cycles. One cyclogram is one unique cycle. The time of a cyclogram indicates when it's going to start. For example, we have earlier created one ad without any settings, and the second ad, which appears on screen only from 8 till 20 on business days. So we had a set of cyclograms for different times and different days.